Hello, welcome to Sephra Korea's cooking channel. I have got another recipe for you. Today it is the buttermilk. I don't understand when some people use curds and make buttermilk. I don't know what logic is there. Buttermilk and buttermilk is chance in Hindi. Now you see, I remove the cream every day from the milk. This is the way I remove. And the previous day, before I want to do the buttermilk, I'll add some curds in this little, because it is like culture. Little culture of curds I add and keep it outside for it to ferment and become butter. Now come here. I have taken a container. In that I have put little water, and you see I have used the mixture of cream with little curds as culture. I put it in this water. Now I will churn it. In fact, I had taken out this from my cupboard because the lights had gone off. This is in olden days we used to use many years ago. But today I will use this mixture. You have to mix it so well that you can see the butter floating. Very little butter, of course, and that's called the buttermilk. Now I want you to come closer and see how the butter comes up. Show in the vessel. You see? You can have it with the butter because the butter is very less. All the same I will take out. Let's see. Now I have to add a little salt and again mix. Now today I want to make it a masala buttermilk. So I have taken these three ingredients. It is green chili, little green chili, and chopped ginger. And little for garnishing I have taken the small stone here to smash it. You see? Put it in this. I'll smash the green chilies also. Very less green chilies because it will be spicy. And then I will garnish with a little coriander. I can add more water, drinking water. Done. It's not at all difficult. This is the butter that has come. I'll put it back in this because buttermilk chance with little butter in it tastes very good. You can add a little more. There on this thing window. So for buttermilk is, you know, the water, that milk that comes out after taking out the butter. That is the actual meaning of chance. I think I have to put a little more salt. No. Salt is less. Very nice. I like the butter that is there. Those who want can put more salt, okay?
Remove that spoon.
Very nice. Who wants buttermilk? Not mine. There's another glass. There's lots there. See, if you want to make it thick, don't put more water. It's just simple as that. This makhan is very good. It's fresh. 1 teaspoon makhan goes in the stomach in a day is not harmful, you know.